How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make the easy balloon flower. Alright guys, welcome to the School of Balloons. My name is Joey and I'm so glad that you're here. Like I said before, I want to teach you that easy balloon flower, and if you want more great content like this, more tutorials, and even videos that teaches you how to do this as a business, how to make money with it, go ahead and subscribe below. So we're going to get right into that tutorial right now. Let's do it. For this flower, use two 260s. In this example, I used a pink and a green. Blow those up, and the pink one, which is for the petals, is blown up about this much. And the green for the stem, about the same. So to start it off, we'll take that pink balloon for our petals, blown up about that much. And that's so we can tie those ends together. I'll show you how to do that now. Just tie it like this around once, and then I put my finger right there so I can tie a second one. Lock it in. Now you've created a big loop twist. So you're going to pull to the center, and right there is our center, so we hold on to that. And we bring it together and hold on to it, and now we're going to just twist right there. Twist it around a few times, and now you have two loops that are equal parts on each side. Now we're going to fold those back over and do the same exact process. So we're going to bring those centers together right there, and then we're going to twist right down the middle. Two loops on one side, two loops on the other. Twist it around a couple times to lock. And now you have the flower petals. Take that second balloon, the green one for the stem, also blown up the same amount. This one we're going to go ahead and do a 1-inch bubble right there and hold on to that. And while we're holding on to that, grab that first balloon we just made, the petals, and we're just going to push in right where that crease is, where we twisted on the stem, right into the petals. So that 1-inch bubble is sticking out on top. Alright, go ahead and twist about 4 fingers lengths down, right about there. And that's where we're going to make some loop twists here for our leaves. We're going to go pretty wide there. Do a nice big loop twist right where you want it, and then twist it in a couple times. Alright, and then you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. So I'm squeezing the balloon and prepping it, and then now I'm going to make that second loop twist. If you want, you can kind of measure it right next to the one you just created, so it's exactly the same size. And twist that right in. Go ahead and adjust it around a little bit as desired. And if you want to, you can kind of conform those leaves a little bit. So I'm going to do that now. Just push them up a little bit. Get a nice little curve there. And that is your balloon flower. Good job. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that easy balloon flower tutorial. And like I said before, if you want more great videos like that, go and subscribe and you'll be notified of the next one that's coming out. And if you want to learn how to do this as a business, this is the resource for you. We have a bunch of great content on this channel that teaches you how to do it to make money. Or you can go to our website, which is schoolofballoons.com, and there's a ton of great resources there. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.